Solving and graphing a compound inequality. First, solve each inequality separately. 2 times x minus 3 between parentheses is 2x minus 6 plus 5 strictly less than 9. Negative 6 plus 5, negative 1. 2x minus 1 strictly less than 9. After adding 1 to both sides, we obtain 2x strictly less than 10. When divided by 2, the inequality becomes x strictly less than 5. At 5, we're going to have a close parenthesis, and we'll take all the values that are less than 5. 3 times 1 minus x between parentheses, distribution, 3 times 1, 3, and 3 times negative x, negative 3x, minus 2, less than or equal to 7. 3 minus 2 is 1, positive 1. 1 minus 3, less than or equal to 7. We subtract 1 from both sides, negative 3x, less than or equal to 6. And when we divide both sides by negative 3, we reverse the inequality. We obtain x greater than or equal to negative 2. At negative 2, we're going to have an open bracket, and we'll take all the values to the right of negative 2. That is all the values that are greater than negative 2. Our answer should be an intersection of sets. This is an AND statement. So we're going to take all the values that overlap, and the values that we are taking will be between negative 2 and 5. Negative 2 is included and 5 is not included. First, we're going to solve each inequality separately. 2 times 3 minus x between parentheses, 2 times 3, 6. 2 times minus x, negative 2x. Minus 3, strictly less than 5. 6 minus 3 is 3. 3 minus 2x, strictly less than 5. Now we're going to subtract 3 from both sides. Negative 2, strictly less than 2. And after dividing both sides by negative 2, we'll have to reverse the inequality. So we obtain x strictly greater than negative 1. At negative 1, we're going to have an open bracket, and we'll take all the values to the right of negative 1. That is all the values that are greater than negative 1. 2 times x minus 5 between parentheses is 2x minus 10, 2 times negative 5, plus 7 less than or equal to 3. Negative 10 plus 7 is negative 3. So 2x minus 3 less than or equal to 3. We add 3 to both sides. 2x less than or equal to 6. And after we divide both sides by 2, x will be less than or equal to 3. So at 3, we're going to have a close bracket, and we'll take all the values to the left of 3. That is all the values that are less than 3. The answer should be an intersection of sets. This is an AND statement. So we're going to take the values to the left of 3, 3 included, up to -1, and -1 is not included. We take the overlap. So the solution set in interval notation will be open parenthesis at -1, comma, close bracket at 3. -5 is strictly less than 2x plus 3, less than or equal to 9. To solve this inequality, first we're going to subtract -3 from all 3 sides. -5 minus 3, -8, strictly less than 2x, less than or equal to +6. To isolate x, we're going to divide all 3 sides by 2. -8 over 2, -4, strictly less than x, less than or equal to 3. So x is between -4 and 3. 3 is included and -4 is not included. Open parenthesis at -4 for the interval notation, comma, and close bracket at 3. -6 less than or equal to 4x minus 2, strictly less than 4. We going to add 2 to all 3 sides. -6 plus 2 is -4. Less than or equal to 4x. Strictly less than 4 plus 2 is 6. Now we will divide all 3 sides by 4 to isolate x. We obtain -1 less than or equal to x, strictly less than 3 over 2 when we reduce 6 over 4. On the number line, at 3/2 we'll have a closed parenthesis and an open bracket at -1. 3 over 2 is not included. -1 is included. So solution set in interval notation, open bracket at -1, comma, and close parenthesis at 3/2.